Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the Ram Lalla idol in the Sanctum Sanctorum at the temple. People of the Hindu community across the globe celebrated the opening of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, showcasing their unbridled enthusiasm and reverence for this historic occasion. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired a review meeting of the left-wing extremist situation in Chhattisgarh at Raipur yesterday. President Draupadi Murmu will confer the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2024 to 19 exceptional children in New Delhi today. In hockey, the Indian men's team will begin its tour to South Africa from today. India will take on the Netherlands, France and host South Africa in the tour that will conclude on 28 January.